What's going on, guys? Today, finally got the gaskets and the intake and exhaust valves for the little 125 fella. I already have the base gasket on, the cylinder slid on, and I already got the valves lapped and installed in the head. New seals inside. This top end gasket kit, I mean, it's a nice kit, Athena, but it did leave out one gasket. Not sure how I feel about that, but at least the one I took off is still usable and still in good shape. That's the only thing it left out, just that gasket for the cam rod covers, or the rocking arm rod cover. But yeah, we just need to get the engine finished up, put back together, and she'll be a running machine again. Time for the head. Alright, let's install the timing cover. And we'll set the flywheel marking to F in there. Then we can you see? The F, yep. Then we'll put in the ignition and screw all that stuff down. With the F lined up on the flywheel, we can line up these two lines here. See how that's adjustable? You just line them up, and then you tighten down the two screws. Screw on the cover, and we're done on this side. Time to adjust valves. Top dead center on the compression stroke. 5 on the 5 thou on the intake, 8 thou on the exhaust. No pipe. Let's fire her up. Oh yeah, getting rid of all that assembly lube from putting her together. Very nice. And since we have the exhaust off, we're going to fix this damaged portion here that either got ripped off, broke off, snapped off, whatever happened to it. So I have this new piece here that will cut off the end, clean it up, and then weld this right over top to extend it about 8 inches out the back. Alright, there we go. We got tacked on in 3 places where I want it. We'll end up cutting it off, I don't know, probably about back here or so. Just for that part that was missing. So now we'll just take it off and I'll finish welding it the whole way around. Alright boys, got our weld on. Should we leave it that long? For you to burn your fingers on, or a shin catcher? Nah, let's cut it. Where do we think we should cut it at? Maybe right after that tail light? Say maybe about right there. That gets it past the tail light, but still just under the body work a little bit. Alright, let's get her cut off. Alright, there we are. Nice weld job. Clean up the back side a little bit. We'll put a little bit of lipstick on the pig. And we supported our neighbors to the north here on this pipe. Alright, let's get some lipstick on her. No, sorry, I'm not painting the whole thing. Just the end. I can't paint the whole thing and take away all that many years of just natural beauty. Nah, we gotta let the beauty show. We're just gonna hit the end. There it is. Finished product. Sounds beautiful, nice and quiet. runner now.